Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Heather and I make videos every Tuesday and Thursday that talk about life, food, family, and fun. It's always going to be something new on something that affects our lives on a regular basis. So I hope you will consider subscribing, and when you do, hit the bell so you're notified of every video that I post. Okay, today we are making a moist, delicious keto strawberry cake that was inspired by my grandma's recipe. And if you're not keto, you can make the original one, but it's a lot of calories, but man is it good. So I'm gonna have both recipes if you wanna make an original one and if you wanna make a keto one, and I think the keto one is pretty darn close. And you get to use a boxed cake mix that's a keto cake mix. So if you're interested in finding out what that is, stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so my grandma made the most delicious strawberry cake, and what it uses is a white cake mix with strawberry jello, the sweetened frozen strawberries that you get in the freezer section in the little tub, and oil and eggs and butter and powdered sugar. Oh my gosh, it's so good, but it is, oh my gosh, you can feel yourself dying when you're eating it, but sometimes it's worth it. So if you're gonna make the regular one, it's a white cake mix, 4 eggs, a cup of oil, a 5-ounce package of jello, strawberry jello, and frozen sweetened strawberries, the 10-ounce container. You're gonna thaw those out and you're gonna use half of them in the cake. So you just make the cake in a mixer, just normal. All the eggs, the oil, the jello, the cake mix, all of that, and the water from the cake mix on the box, and then you're gonna put in 5 ounces of the frozen sweetened strawberries that have been thawed. Mix that all up, cook it according to the instructions, and then for your frosting, it's actually a stick of softened butter, an entire box of the 1-pound box of powdered sugar that you sift, and the other half of the strawberries, and you put that on, and oh my gosh, it's so moist and decadent and delicious. So if you wanna make that one, that's how you make that one. And if you wanna make the keto one, I have found Good D's cake mix. It's called a yellow snack cake mix. And this makes an 8x8. So if you want to make a larger, like 9x12 for a bigger crowd, you're gonna have to buy 2 of these. But it makes it so much easier. I do it exactly how it says on the back. It's vanilla. The only thing I change is it says a tablespoon of vanilla, and I just do a teaspoon because I want it to be more strawberry. But I use the cake mix, the 3 eggs. I'll show you what I put in there. The only thing is on the video, I show you a 5-ounce package of sugar-free strawberry jello. If you're only using 1 cake mix, get the smaller little 3-ounce one. Otherwise, it's too much jello. But if you're making the larger version, you can get the 5-ounce of that. So I'm gonna show you how I make the keto one. And for this one, I lightened it up even further because the original one is such a heavy, like the frosting is like that buttercream, super sweet frosting. This one, I made a strawberry whipped cream frosting that goes on top, which I actually love, love, love. So good. It's perfect for a keto Easter cake because it's pink and beautiful and light and spring-like. So let's head into the kitchen and make some of this cake. Okay, these are the things you're gonna need: coconut oil, vanilla, butter, sugar-free jello, strawberries, either frozen that you have thawed or fresh, eggs, monk fruit, and then the Good D's yellow snack cake mix. This is gonna make an 8x8 cake. If you want to make a layered cake or a larger one, you're gonna need 2 of these. I'm gonna use my mixer, my KitchenAid mixer, and I've already greased a 8x8 pan. And so the first thing that's gonna go in is the cake mix. 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 3 eggs. Now this calls for a tablespoon of vanilla to make a vanilla cake, but since we're doing strawberry, I'm just gonna put in a teaspoon to give it a little bit of extra. The strawberry jello, sugar-free. Okay, so I'm gonna go mix this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so there's what it looks like. We're gonna pour it in. Just a couple minutes, normal cake mix kind of thing, 2 minutes mixing it. All right, here it is. We're gonna put it in a 325-degree oven for 23 to 30 minutes, depending on your oven. I'm gonna check this at 20 minutes. The toothpick needs to come out just barely clean because it will continue cooking just a little bit once you take it out. So don't overcook it, but middle rack for 23 to 30 minutes. See you back in a few minutes. Okay, here it is done. It looks dark on camera, but it's really not. Just dark in here. So I'm gonna leave it in this to frost it because it's just easy to serve out of this, and to cool it, I've got it on a wire rack so that there is some circulation underneath and it can cool off. And I'm gonna cool it completely before I frost it. There's two ways to frost it. The original way my grandmother used to do is a stick of softened butter, one full box of confectioner sugar or powdered sugar, and 1 5-ounce container of frozen sweetened strawberries thawed. That's the original frosting. It's very sweet, very decadent, very rich. The other way, if you want to do this, which I'm going to do for today, is to make your own whipped cream with monk fruit and vanilla and add some crushed strawberries into that. That just makes a lighter, less sugary topping. You can do this either way. You can use butter and monk fruit and strawberries. It's just really, really sweet that way. But this makes the perfect cake for Easter because it's pink and it's light and delicious. Perfect for birthdays or summer get-togethers. It's just awesome. So while this cools, we're gonna make the frosting. Okay, so I've got 5 fresh strawberries in here. I'm just gonna take this mallet here and smash them and use that in the frosting. You can do a cream cheese frosting, cream cheese strawberry frosting, or that butter strawberry, but this is just a light whipped cream, strawberry whipped cream. That's what we're gonna do, okay? So just smash it. Okay, then I'm gonna take a cup of heavy whipping cream and some monk fruit that I've powdered up, some vanilla, and whip that up, then add this in and top it on the cake. Teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 cup of powdered monk fruit. If you have the liquid, that's way better because you don't run the risk of it being grainy still, but I've tried to powder this really well. So I'm gonna put that in. Okay, we're gonna put this on here and see what it looks like. There it is. Okay, Zach, dig in. Tell me what you think.
I hate it. It's terrible. I'm just kidding. It's so good. It's very good.
What? All right, Jay.
That's so dang good.
Okay, there you have it. 2 versions of an amazing Easter cake, birthday cake, any day kind of cake. I mean, sometimes you just gotta have some cake, right? So you can make either one of these versions. I'll have both of them listed in the description box below. I hope you will try this out. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share this with your friends before Easter or before a birthday, because I'm telling you, both these versions, whether you're on low carb or not, are amazing and easy, super easy to do. So thanks for watching. I so appreciate you stopping by. I hope you'll come back for future videos. And until then, stay inspired and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.